So I want to show you the braiding pattern for my crochet braids. Nothing fancy. I have about 9 cornrows in the front, and I merge some of those in to form bigger cornrows in the back. And this leg that I have over here, I'm just going to tuck this under and sew it down to be an extra anchor of hair, an extra anchor back there. And I left this part out, about 1/2 inch of hair, and just to protect my edges. So once the crochet hair is installed, I will unravel this and blend it in, and hopefully it will all be pretty seamless. The hair that I'm using for my crochets today is by FreeTress. It is the FreeTress Gogo curl pattern, 26 inches long, and this is one of my favorite patterns by FreeTress. I have quite a few. Like I said, it's 26 inches long. It is not pre-looped. I don't know if FreeTress does not make Gogo curl in pre-looped, or if the beauty supply store that I went to just did not have it. But I've got 4 packs in the color TP427. It's kind of a mixed color, and I think it best matches my own naturally sandy brown hair. And I'm not trying to get it perfect, but I have lighter color hair, so I just want something that looks more natural on me. 4 packs, probably won't use them all. I don't think I said that yet, but I'm excited to try this. This is the first crochet braid tutorial, or first crochet braid style that I'm sharing on my channel. Finished installing my crochet braids. I'm in love. I love them. I love the color. I love the curl pattern. Beautiful. And I did not use 4 packs. I bought 4, but I only used 3. This is, let me show you how much I have left. This is literally all I have from the 3rd pack. So pretty much I used 3 full packs, and I love them. I still have my leave out here because what I plan to do is put some mousse on this hair to tame it, and then I'm going to shape it. I've got my shears here, and I would hate to accidentally cut my own hair while I'm shaping the crochet hair. So it's really soft. Let me give you the full view. This is what it looks like, and this is pretty. Now this is too much hair for me. This is too much. The weather's getting warmer and I just know that I couldn't tolerate it, but hey, I never say never. Who knows, in a future video or who knows what crochet style I might share with you. But this is gorgeous. I feel like if my hair grew another 20 inches and I wore a wash and go, maybe it would look something like this. It is a lot of hair. Let me show you. It's a lot of hair. So yeah, I definitely have to cut it and style it, but I'm so excited. So let me get started. It's late and I think I better stop right here before I mess up, but I like it. I like what I've done so far. I've cut off a lot of hair and I didn't even mousse it. I got distracted and didn't even mousse it, so I better just finish this up in the morning. Here's all of the hair that I cut off. It's a ton of hair. A whole sink full of hair.